Hello, we're here for another Who's That Character. This time, both Nick and Matthew are here.
Hello.
Hi.
So, I have the difficult task of coming up with obscure characters that we haven't done yet. I cannot use. I don't want to. I don't want to use characters that we've already done. I mean, Matthew, do you want to do that? Like, are you okay if I give Nick a character we've already done before?
You can if you want.
I kind of don't want to. Okay, so
You know,
Matthew, your character has already been announced in a previous recording. You have to make Black Cat.
I'm assuming it's probably some person in a black suit that resembles a cat.
Okay, so
Like
you have to
Catwoman.
build Black Cat and Nick. Do you know who Mysterio is?
No, I don't. I've
All
heard of them,
right,
but I have no idea what they look like.
all right. You're gonna have to build out Mysterio. So
Alright, cool.
I'm going to pull up. Um, I'm not even sure if Black Cat has any powers. What makes this difficult is I'm going to have to tell you both statistics from two different characters at the same time. Um, I'm going to start. Matthew, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Nick, are you ready to start building?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I'm going to start reading with Matthew stuff. Black Cat, also Felicia Hardy, um, also known as Felicia Hardy, looking for more stuff. Um, she's a Marvel character. Is known for being a cat burglar. Um, Initially, she had no superpowers, but then later there was a test done by Kingpin that gave her the psionic ability to affect probability fields. Essentially, she could produce bad luck for her enemies. The bad luck power entails that under stress, she is subconsciously able to cause anyone in her immediate vicinity that she perceives as a threat to be susceptible to freak accidents like guns jamming and exploding or tripping on objects. This ability has also had the side effect of eventually causing problems for anyone spending long periods of time around her. Uh, Doctor Strange eventually tampered
Okay.
with her powers that briefly removed her bad luck abilities along with her unwanted side effect. However, this magical tampering temporarily endowed her with cat like abilities, giving her night vision, retractable talons in her fingertips, superhuman speed, strength, agility, and endurance, proportionate to a cat. Her bad luck powers were eventually restored by Doc Trauma through the use of cybernetics. Okay, I'm gonna stop reading there. And Nick, I'm gonna read you about Mysterio.
Alright.
Mysterio, I think also known as Quentin Beck, or Daniel Burkhart, or Francis Klum. Those are all his names somehow. Um, his ability is that he creates very realistic illusions. Um, he's a master hypnotist and magician. He's an amateur chemist and roboticist, and is exceptional in hand-to-hand combat.
Nice.
And he is apparent. Oh wait, that's referring to the version that is Quentin Beck, and the
Okay.
Daniel. Oh wait, the Francis Klum version can teleport, use telepathy, and use telekinesis.
Alright.
And I'm going to put in the general Discord chat the what the characters actually do look like.
Alright. I won't look at it, don't worry.
I'm not going to do it right away. I'll do it when you're done.
Alright. Sounds cool.
Matthew, are you done right now?
Yep.
am I allowed to know if my guy is a supervillain or a superhero?
Yeah, you're allowed to know that.
Okay, what is he? Villain or hero?
He's a villain.
All right.
Actually, both of your characters are villains.
Oh.
I
Oh, I think
guess.
I remember her being briefly mentioned in Wolverine, the X-Men,
In the X-Men.
but I don't know.
I have to
I was watching a
find
Wolverine
the
movie.
most G-rated image I can.
That's not
It's outnumbered by like just
Alright, finally found one. It took me a long time. I know it doesn't
wow.
seem like it, but there were so many ones I didn't want to use. Okay, posted what Black Cat looked like. You didn't even have eyeballs.
Yes, I did.
Oh, that's the eyeballs. Wow.
Don't worry
Wow.
about it.
I'm really off. Okay, I know.
Yeah, you're super off. Nick is at least somewhat close already.
Yep. I'm trying to make it what I think he might look like.
I see the Buttcape.
No, that's
I
not.
like it, the Buttcape.
It's not finished. It's not finished.
All good supervillains must have a Buttcape.
No,
A
it's
butt
not.
cape? What?
Look at his build. He gave
It's not
his
finished.
he gave
Matthew.
Mysterio a Buttcape.
It's not finished.
It is a butt cape.
It's not finished though.
Okay,
I want for there to be a supervillain whose name is just Buttcape that doesn't have any powers. And it's just he has
He
a
just
cape
wears
on
a
his
cape
butt.
on his butt.
Yes.
That would be disturbing.
Yes, please Marvel and DC make that a character.
Alex, I'm sure you.
We
Would be one
we
of the
do
first
not
to say
we do not want to be paid for that. It's a
Yeah.
royalty-free character.
that. Yes. Oh my god. I just changed my whole thing. Wow.
This is not going to be a Milestone Comics scenario. You don't have to worry about the royalties.
Hey Ozzy, how you doing? Hello.
Alright, neither one of you understand the Milestone Comics reference I just made.
Nope.
What?
I said neither one of you understand the Milestone Comics reference I just made.
And what are those?
It's Milestone Comics came up with Static Shock and all the characters in the Static Shock universe, and DC has to pay a royalty fee to use them.
To use it?
Yeah,
Dang.
it was part of a deal that was made. So, although Static Shock is a DC character, he was not originally made by DC Comics.
So I have to pay royalties.
Yep. Nick, can you do us a favor and leave the Buttcape?
It's not gonna be a butt cave.
You're right, it's too high up. I'll help you with that. Don't worry.
No.
What? Fine, I won't tamper with it as much as I want to. Nick, don't look in the Discord. I'm gonna post the picture of Mysterio.
All right, it's cool. My inventory keeps on changing. It's so annoying.
It's because you can't shift and scroll on the on this server. Hold on a second.
Yeah, I watched Wonder Woman, and that was the worst World War II history lesson I've ever had. That was so bad.
The movie
Like,
was
with
bad.
history-wise. Like, getting
Oh,
history correct.
why? What was it about? Like, what happened in it?
Well, like, it took place in World War II. The thing that angered me the most, and it was in the beginning, is basically, like, a bunch of German, like ships and aircrafts come into this island inhabited with females like wielding bows, and somehow the people wielding bows are crushing the Germans.
Yeah, that does not happen.
And I also didn't understand why
All
the
right,
British spy had an
I'm back.
American accent,
Wait,
and I
what?
didn't understand why the British spy spying on the Germans, spoke English instead of German.
What is going on?
It doesn't make any sense. I'm talking about how Wonder Woman is the worst World War II history lesson ever.
Yeah, that would be pretty bad.
Ah, the Buttcape's gone. I feel like if Buttcape was an actual superhero, the theme song would be na 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 Buttcape.
I like the ring to Buttcape.
Buttcape. I like the ring to Buttcape. Okay, Matt. Oh my gosh, why do my inventory keeps on changing?
Again,
It's
I
literally
said you can't shift and scroll.
Oh,
Can for the homage for the reference of Buttcape, can this part be lowered?
just
No.
put a B on it.
All right, I'm good with that. In fact, what we're gonna do is
So, like, while I was playing that song that you told me to play, Nick, I was
Yeah.
playing it at full blast. My mom came in super confused.
Yeah. Oh my god, I was trying to hold in my laugh
She was
so
like,
hard.
"It sounds like someone's dying. It sounds like someone's dying in here."
Girl.
I'm like, "Yeah, it's really bad singing." She's like, "Yeah, it
what color
is."
should the letter B be? Oh goodness,
Oh my gosh, are you actually
Um,
creating the character Buttcape?
a little bit. Let me make it gray.
We're not even making Mysterio anymore. We're making Buttcape.
no, I'm still making Mysterio, but the B can go on the back.
Really, you had to add a butt. Yeah.
Oh my god.
What? No, leave it be. It's part of the build. You know how long that actually took?
Like 3 seconds.
No,
Just place 2 rectangles on the back of the.
two very
No.
carefully placed rectangles. It probably took like 10 seconds.
Oh wow, that's a crazy long time.
I was trying to figure out
It really
how
is.
to place it. Okay. Also,
Well,
there we go.
Oh my
Yeah.
god,
What? Okay, fine. That's optional.
No, it's butt cape, not penis cape.
no. Oh my goodness.
I like where you're going with this, Nick.
Oh.
But it really should. Oh wait, no, that doesn't work.
Yeah, he's not close.
Wait, I got it.
What?
I got this covered. I hope the red block is still here. I showed Matthew it for the Jimenez eyes.
Oh, it's not.
No,
It's
it's for
updated.
1.12. Yeah.
Just leave it
Throw him
be.
above.
Ah.
Alright, he's pretty close, other than the fact that I made this butt cape.
No, he's not close to Mysterio at all. No,
He
this is
kind
better.
of is. You got the cape part right.
Nether warp block looks way better.
Oh, wow, it does. He got the cape right until I ruined it.
Hmm.
Yeah, but other than that, he didn't get anything else.
I know. Okay, Nick, look in my Discord general chat, and you'll see the picture of Mysterio.
I'll look.
I mean, it didn't go that off based on color scheme. I mean, like, the color scheme
Okay,
is good.
totally got him wrong. I mean, I got the cape, but the rest I got him wrong.
All right, we're gonna make a cutscene here. Can the two of you break the builds and wait for me while I go walk the dog?
Sure. You want to hang out on my creative server, Nick?
Sure.
Yeah, just
Alright.
stay in my roleplay group chat in my Discord. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
Alright, bye. Hello! I have to give a quick announcement explaining what's going on. So, both Nick and Matthew had to go at the time when they were supposed to be back. I came back and neither one of them were online. So, for the rest of this recording, we're gonna pick it up again tomorrow, hopefully. And it's just gonna be cut from this scene to the next recording. I've already picked out the character that I was going to give to originally Aiden was going to take over and he was going to replace them, but that didn't work out so well. When we continue this, someone may give me a theme, I may give someone a theme. I don't know how it's going to work, but that's going to be the plan, and this will actually occur instantaneously when I'm done editing, but for in real time this is taking 2 days to record. So just want for you to keep that in mind. That way, when we pick it back up, it makes sense that both Nick and Matthew may not be there, and it may be a little bit different. Thanks, and that's it. Alright, we're back. Finally. Not all of us, though. It's just Matthew and I right now. Basically, last night, when both Matthew and Nick were supposed to stay and wait for me to finish walking the dog, they both left and had to do stuff apparently. So
Yeah.
now today it's just Matthew and I, and he's gonna give me a character that I don't know to build.
Yep. And it is. We'll find out eventually. I don't know.
Alright, I'm good with that. I wanted to make an announcement video referring to the fact that there's not a lot of summer uploads, but then I realized that with the Who's That Character series, it kind of makes up for it. And the reason why there's not a lot of summer uploads is because I'm having to foster the dog, and
So you're cutting out a little bit.
I am.
Yeah.
Let me try leaving in here. Is it better now? Is it better now?
Yeah.
Okay, I just left the Discord call and then joined back. So, I'm busy fostering a dog, so that's for volunteer hours, so that's why I'm not recording as much as I'd like to be.
Yeah.
But it's as
Okay,
far
let
as
me find your character.
I thought you were looking this whole entire time.
Nope.
I'm stalling.
I can't wait for Infinity War coming out though. That'll be pretty cool.
And Spider-Man Homecoming is coming out pretty soon.
Yeah. Wait, what's the release date on that one?
It's gonna be the 7th.
2018. Dang it. No, I mean Infinity War.
Oh, I don't know the release date for Infinity War, but I know the release date for Spider-Man Homecoming.
Yeah, it's coming pretty soon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna definitely see that one.
Yeah, me too.
Static.
Yes, that's Static
Swamp
Shock.
Thing.
Yes.
Uh,
Actually read a Swamp Thing comic.
I've gone through the entire list.
I know there's more DC characters than that, though.
I just looked up DC characters and they came up with the list. It must have been like the top DC characters because you knew all of them.
I mean,
Here we go.
some of those were obscure, but
These look dorky.
alright, that sounds good.
Swashbuckler.
What?
Swashbuckler.
Is that an actual DC character?
Apparently. Wait, do you know Black Lightning?
Yes.
Okay, do Swashbuckler then.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
What's Swashbuckler's power set? Wait, are you still there?
1 second. Yeah, 1 second.
Okay.
I'm trying to find his wiki page.
I don't know if he'll even have one. I'm just grabbing blocks that I think will be useful, but I'm not quite sure. I'm assuming he's a pirate guy.
I'm not telling you.
The name is Swashbuckler.
Okay, I'll be right back, okay? Oh, I found a wiki article. Cool. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, wow, that really did not take you a long time.
No, I just had to get mouthwash. I have this bad aftertaste. Heck, it's not giving me any information. This is retarded. It's literally just a bunch of links. Let me refresh the page. Really? This is stupid.
Maybe the links will be useful?
No, they're just links to other articles.
Oh. That's dumb. Yay, we found a DC character that no one knows anything else about. Oh no, we found a DC character that no one knows anything about.
Alright, this guy apparently wrote an article. He has a group affiliation with Dreambound. His powers and abilities are cool.
Thank you.
Swashbuckler is tremendously fast, acrobatic, and agile, and is a world-class fencer with lightweight blades. He seems to be almost on par with Nightwing himself in terms of speed and precision, and could perform such an amazing trick shot as slashing Nightwing's mask away from his face without even scratching Mr. Grayson. I'm quoting the article exactly.
Alright.
He's also very smart and perceptive in combat, with superior initiative and adaptability, and seems generally quite competent. He carries a pair of energy swords that seems to be somewhere between a fencing epee and some of the Star Wars lightsaber.
Wait, what?
Lightsabers. His swords are kind of a cross between a pirate's sword and a Star Wars lightsaber.
Is that your words or the article's words?
The article's words.
Oh, wow. It wouldn't be the first time that lightsabers were in DC Comics.
Why, did they copy that a lot?
I'm not sure if this is official or not, but I know that there's an image of Batman killing a shark with a lightsaber. It could just be fan art, but I've seen it quite a bit, and it gets referenced a lot. So here's what I'm doing. I know this doesn't quite look right, but you said he was like very acrobatic. So I'm making it so that Swashbuckler is doing a hand.
He's very acrobatic.
Yes, he's doing a handstand.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm making this really difficult on myself.
This will be entertaining to watch.
And I'm basically thinking of Captain Hook here. That's when I think of a pirate, that's the first thing I think of. So he's gonna have like Captain Hook clothes. Oh shoot, I just thought of something. Oh wait, never mind, never mind. I was thinking, I'm not gonna have enough room for this. I'm not gonna be able to make the body go this far back. But then I thought this is all gonna go
true.
upwards. It's all gonna go upwards, like the legs are gonna be up in the air. So. Getting this shaped correctly will be so difficult. It's like... This looks so bad right now. Hopefully this ends up looking better.
Yeah, hopefully.
One bad side here is that you are going to have to be up down here to look at the face.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to give him, he gets a bandana, a red bandana, because I don't want to have to make a giant, captain's hat thing.
That's acceptable.
I'm gonna make his hair coarse dirt, because it kind of has that, like, messy texture. Think about it, if he's a pirate, he's not gonna be able to take a shower. Oh wait, no, modern day pirate. Oh well. Still, it gets a good look of messy hair.
Nice, nice.
Alright, got his messy hair, we got that going on. Now I need to deal with the eyes. I'm gonna be building upside down for this. He does have an eye patch, of course. Because what villain doesn't have an eye patch? That's a pirate.
Yeah, exactly.
To clarify, this is his mustache. He doesn't, you can't see his mouth, but that's his mustache. He has a sheath for his lightsaber on his back.
Nice.
So that's what you're looking at there. Here I'm working on the front of his shirt. Basically, he's at the part where he's like looking down at the ground, but if he just moves his head forwards, you would see him from the backside looking at you. You know what I mean? Like if you're doing a headstand. So I'm putting the front of his shirt here. I'm gonna give him red pants too. But oh, I'll give him a belt. I'll give him a belt to show that there's a difference. I'll give him a gray belt. With like a little gold part on the front. Like a belt buckle. Am I anywhere near close on this?
Not really.
Oh goodness, I'm gonna have to do so much editing because this alone is taking up 20 minutes already. Like, ugh. I can't believe it's already been 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So long for one build. And over here, he has a peg leg. Peg legs, are they like completely flat or are they round? Because I remember thinking they were kind of like rounded off at the end of it.
Edges? Like for swords?
No, peg legs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, no, it's the opposite.
I think I'm done here.
Alright, want me to send it to you?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a screenshot of this first, though. Actually, probably more like this. This will take so long to get rid of because it's not hollow. But yeah, I'm ready. What? Are you kidding me? I was nowhere near close. I got the pants color right.
You got the color right.
I got the pants color right. He's basically Spider Pirate. He's Spider-Man as a pirate.
Or dead pirate.
And the mask kind of looks more like Spider-Man than Deadpool, but it basically is Spider-Man as a pirate.
Basically.
Alright, we have to get rid of cheap knockoff Captain
Did you
Hook Mario.
Did you screenshot it?
Yeah, I screenshot it. Wait, look at this. He looks like Mario. Look at the face. The face looks like Mario. This is Mario Captain Hook Pirate Man. It's a great name for this character. Alright, we're done. We've ruined some Marvel characters. We ruined one DC character that's very unknown. And we hope we ruined them for you. Although one of them you probably did not know. And we hope you liked watching our really bad attempts. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.